teacher of 4th class. In the previous class, we will learn that second lesson, the Northern Mountains. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 is completed. Today we will learn that what is that Part 4 in this lesson. Children, you know that the Northern Mountains is also called Mountain Himalayas. That is the Mountain Himalayas ranges. What is their lifestyle and where is the locate of Northern Himalayas? Today we will learn that life in the region. Life in the region. Children, open your textbook, page number 17. Life in region in previous class we learned that Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. 3 places, 3 regions. We learn that what is the lifestyle in that regions. How they are live in that region. What are their governments? What they eat? What is their cultivated in that crops? Children, and what is the tourist place on that region? We will learn that. Today we are going to that life in the region in Sikkim. Which is the state here? Sikkim. Children, listen. Sikkim. The word Sikkim has been derived from the word Sukkim. What is that? Sukkim. Sikkim. Sikkim. What is the word? Sikkim is that the word has been derived from that Sikkim. So, is that you know the meaning of Sikkim? Happy homeland. What is that? Happy homeland. What is the meaning of Sikkim here? Happy homeland. So, Sikkim is the northeast of India. Sikkim is the northeast. You know what is the directions of India? North, south, east, west. So here observe that Sikkim is that northeast of India. Northeast of India. Northeast of India. And he is that Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in Himalayas. You know that one of that peak is there, that is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is that third highest peak in that Himalayas, is in Sikkim. And the capital of Sikkim is, what is the capital of Sikkim? You know that already you know. Capital of Sikkim is, what is that? Gangtok. What is that? Gangtok. And the people belong to the 3 main tribes. Here that 3 types of people are living there. What is the tribes here? Tribes are Lepcha, Bhutia, and that Nepali. You know Nepali children live in the Himalayan ranges. So here 3 type peoples are 3 tribes. That means a group of people. So 3 type of groups of people, that is called a group tribe. So 3 main tribes people are living there. That is name is Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepal. Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepali. And here is that famous beautiful orchids. What is that? Orchids. Orchids means, you know the orchid? Orchid means gardens, fruit gardens, flower gardens. So many gardens are called as orchids. So orchid people in this state, especially women, are colorfully dressed. Colorfully dressing there. Women are very colorful dressed, wear with some clothes. And Darjeeling is the northwest Bengal. Darjeeling is that northwest Bengal. It is famous hill station. What is the hill station here? Hill station. Here hill station is what is that? Darjeeling. Darjeeling is the famous hill station is there. Darjeeling tea is a world famous. You know that one of the tea specialty is Darjeeling tea is here famous there. And the Tiger Hill in Darjeeling is a place worth visiting. What is that? Tiger Hill. What is that? Tiger Hill. Tiger Hill. Here is that famous in is the place of Darjeeling state. So listen carefully children once again. Life in the region. We are going to that. What is the state here taking as Sikkim. Fourth state is what is that? Sikkim. Sikkim is the derived from the word Sukkim. What is that? Sukkim. Here Sukkim means happy homeland. What is the meaning of Sukkim? Happy homeland. And here is the one of that Kanchenjunga. What is that? Kanchenjunga is that one of the highest third peak in that Himalayas is in Sikkim. And here are famous orchids are there. Orchids are means gardens. And here are the one of the famous hill station is called as Darjeeling. And here also Tiger Hill, famous Tiger Hill is in Darjeeling's famous place. We will visit that. And here are three types of people, tribes of people are living there. One of the name as Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepali. Lepcha, Bhutia, Nepali. Here three types of peoples are living there. And you know that the capital of Sikkim, what is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. Understood children? Now we are going to northeastern states. What is that? Northeastern states. Now second is northeastern states. See that fifth one? Northeastern states. So the northeastern part of India is home to 7 states. How many states are there? 7 states. You already know that 7 sisters. This is just called 7 sisters. They are called as the 7 sisters. That is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. That is called as 7 sisters. 7 states are there. These 7 states are called as 7 sisters. 7 sisters. People in these states have their own customs, dress and languages. Custom means wearing of garment. And dress. Custom means they hope like what they are doing. And dress and language also there. So now we are going to the first one here, Arunachal Pradesh. Assam people is not given, but Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast. You know that Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is that largest state in the northeast. But it has a small population. It is the largest state in northeast part. Northeast largest state is what is that? Arunachal Pradesh. But here people are less living. That means small population having in that Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is, you know the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? What is that? Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. And here are the one of that river is also flow there. That is Brahmaputra rivers enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Here river is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra river is flow on that state in that Arunachal Pradesh. And agriculture is the main occupation. Here main occupation, what is that? Agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation. Crops like paddy. What is that? Paddy, millets, and maize, wheat, ginger, oil seeds are grown. It also ideal for fruit orchards and horticulture. Horticulture means garden work. The most people are doing that their garden work, that is called a horticulture also. Here also main fruit orchards are there, that means fruit garden also. So many found cultivated in that Arunachal Pradesh. Once again listen the children, northeastern states having that 7 states, we also known as this is called a 7 sister. Now we are that in 7 sister, one of the state is giving as Arunachal Pradesh. You know that the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, what is that? Itanagar. And here Brahmaputra rivers Indian, what is Brahmaputra rivers enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. And here the main occupation is agriculture. They cultivated that paddy, millet, maize, wheat, ginger, oil seed. You know this one, all that paddy. Millet means small nuts. That is cereals. And maize, wheat, ginger, oil seeds also there. And here also so many people cultivated that fruit orchards. Fruit orchards means fruit garden, having that fruit gardens. And the most children having that work is horticulture. Horticulture means garden work. That means garden means if that fruit garden is there, they look like that, do that fruit works. So this is that Arunachal Pradesh. And we are going to that Manipur. The second one, what is that? Manipur. So here Manipur is land, hills and valleys. Land, hills and only land, hills and valleys also there. And Impal is the capital of Manipur. You know the capital, what is the capital of Manipur? Impal. What is that? Impal is the capital of Manipur. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of people of Manipur. Farming means farming. You know the farming, and farming means cultivated the crops. And weaving, that means they are look like that animals also growing there. So Manipur, what is the capital of Manipur? Impal. And here main occupations are weaving. What are that? Weaving and farming. So they also make beautiful things from bamboo. Beautiful things. What is that? Using the bamboo and cane. Cane means sugar cane. You know the sugar cane. And leather. They use these three types of things and make them beautiful things also there. And we are going to the third word is third state is Manipur. This is children. Manipur is over. Now we are going to that Meghalaya. So here observe that Meghalaya. Megha means here what is that? This is the Sanskrit word. Megha means clouds. So here mean as Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Abode of clouds. That means totally covered with clouds. The capital of Meghalaya. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Is Shillong. What is that? Shillong. So, which is the beautiful hill station. Shillong also beautiful hill station also. People of the state belong the Garo. What is that? Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Tribes are there. Here 3 types of peoples are there living. What are the names? Garo, Khashi, Jaintia. So they grow paddy. Here also they grow paddy, jute sugarcane, pineapples, and oranges. They are the main cultivated parts. So see the children again. Here Meghalaya is the abode of clouds. So the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Here the three types of people living there: Garo, Kashi, Jainta. This is also here Shillong is the main hill station. Here crops are paddy, jute. Jute means that is gum like that making of so many things. That means papers, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapple, oranges are cultivated there. And now we are going to that Mizoram. What is that? Mizoram. Mizoram is also land with hill stations. So you know that Mizoram capital is what is that? Aizawl. Aizawl is that capital of Mizoram. The main language spoken in also are Mizo and English. Here main languages are what are that? Languages are Mizo and English. What is that? Mizo and English languages. The majority of people are Christians. Here majority of peoples are what are that? Christians only. Christians. The agriculture is the main occupation of that people. Now we are going to that Nagaland. What is that state? Nagaland. Nagaland capital. What is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima. Kohima. Kohima is that. Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is a hilly area covered with thick vegetation. What is that? Vegetation. The Naga tribes dominate here and their dance popular all over India. And they like to wear colorful clothes decorated with shells. What is that cloth they are wearing here? Colorful dress. So what are the shells? Bones, ivory, and feathers. Horns also. Horns. That means animals have horns or not? That is. So here also observe that again, children. Nagaland. We are going to that Nagaland. What is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima. And what is the Nagaland of Kohima? What is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima. It is a hilly area covered with total vegetation. Totally vegetation part. The Naga tribes dominate here and their dance popular. See this picture? Dominate their language, their dance only. Why? Because they wear colorful clothes. They wear that colorful clothes having with shells. In the sandy areas they have the shells. And horns, animals horns, animals bones, ivory, animal teeth. Ivory means what is that? Teeth of some animals. Which animal having teeth? Elephant teeth. And feathers. Birds have feathers. That is that using of dressing code. They are very colorfully. Look like very colorfully. Their dance is popularly in all over that India. This is the life in the region. Children, you understood that what I am explaining that? So the Northern Mountains is the part 4 of that lesson. Children, first you have to read the total lesson. Underline that hard words where you have imagined that one. Just you underline that and read carefully. Read the lesson totally perfectly. Then you understood that what is the teacher is explaining in this class. Children, thank you children. Have a nice day.